Mirabel Park is underwater. There's usually trailers right there. Hi. He's Mr. Friendly.
Check it out, Mark Street. I know. I live here.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, sorry.
Usually. Wow. When did you get out? 2 days ago?
What's up? No, thank you.
Yeah, a bunch of people have stuff tied up, and you know, you can see it kind of like floating, and other people's tents. I can't quite see them here, but there's tents right there underwater
Yeah.
that people had.
These people were here yesterday when I came back from work, and they were here last night. They must have left. I don't know.
Yeah, well.
When does this get full?
It's a lot of water.
Thinking of you, Fishing International.
Plenty of water for the fish right now,
Yeah,
right?
waterfront fishing.
Yeah. We're gonna show you your site now, Bill. Woo! Bill would be like, yeah, well, he had a trailer. You'd have been pulling it out of there, dude. This is the campsite for Paul Bunyan, etc. And they are flooded. Yeah, usually have right down there where you see the main river flow, the cabins are right there.